Each day, more than 1,000 people in the United States require medical care for a dog bite. In Arizona, dog bites are one of the most common causes of injury, and each year the courts award compensation to hundreds of dog bite victims. If you have been bitten by a dog, understanding dog bite laws in Arizona can help determine your plan of action and what compensation you may be entitled to. Seeking an experienced Phoenix dog bite lawyer can help you maximize your chances of receiving appropriate compensation for your injuries and relieve some of the stress involved in legal proceedings. The Jackson White Personal Injury Team has over 20 years of experience representing clients who have been involved in all types of accidents. We can help you receive the compensation you deserve too. Arizona dog bite laws are covered under several statutes on liability for dog bites and on provoking a dog. Arizona is known as a strict liability state when it comes to dog bites, which means that the owner of the dog can be held liable for injuries and damages regardless of the owner's negligence or knowledge of the attack. Many states have a one bite free policy, which means the owner may not be held liable for damages the first time a dog bites someone. In Arizona, there is no such policy, and an owner can be held legally responsible no matter how many times the dog has bitten someone. Some important considerations surrounding dog bite laws include if someone who is not the owner of the dog is present and caring for the dog at the time of the attack, the caretaker and the owner may be jointly held liable for the victim's damages. A lack of knowledge of the viciousness of a dog is not required for an owner to be held responsible. So, even if the owner properly owned the dog, he or she can still be responsible for damages if the dog attacks someone. Arizona law states that the owner can be held liable if the attack happens on public property or if the victim is lawfully on private property. If it's determined that the dog bite was the result of the victim provoking the dog, the owner cannot be held liable for damages. Getting bitten by a dog can be a stressful experience, leading to potential medical bills, possible time off work, pain and suffering, and more. Without a skilled attorney by your side, you risk missing out on receiving damages that you are entitled to. Having a dog bite lawyer by your side can help you increase your chances of obtaining a favorable outcome. A dog bite lawyer can support you in filing the appropriate paperwork, navigating complex legal procedures, and carrying out negotiation and mediation in pursuit of a settlement that properly addresses the damages you incurred. If negotiations are not enough to achieve a reasonable settlement, they can support you in court to get the best possible compensation for your injuries. At Jackson White, we take a thoughtful, empathetic, and strategic approach to understanding your case and building an appropriate defense against harsh charges. As with any case, our first step in dog bite cases is to listen to our clients and understand their full list of concerns. We start with a free consultation to understand the details of your case, including the extent of your injuries and the circumstances that led to the bite. From there, we take the following steps to handle dog bite cases: gathering evidence surrounding the details of the case, including your testimony and witness accounts, using our extensive legal experience to understand the options available for restitution, compiling information about the dog bite and its severity, including medical records and other damages incurred, negotiating a settlement with the dog owner that covers any damages you experienced, representing you in courtroom litigation to pursue appropriate compensation for your damages. We have decades of experience in personal injury cases, providing you with more confidence and helping you navigate the appropriate legal processes to seek the appropriate compensation. Contact us today to learn more about all the ways we can support you in your case. If you are a victim of a dog bite, you have many possible options available to you. A skilled personal injury attorney may help you secure a result that minimizes the charges against you while offering you peace of mind in the process. The potential outcomes for a dog bite case are as follows: payment of medical bills. If a dog bite victim must seek medical care for injuries, the court may order the owner to pay compensation for these bills. Pain and suffering. Dog bite victims can also receive a monetary amount to compensate them for the emotional pain and suffering they experience. Damages. If a dog bite injury results in lost time from work, the court may order the dog owner to pay a monetary amount to compensate. Settlement. After a dog bite, victims can pursue a settlement for a monetary amount with the dog owner outside of court to cover damages. At Jackson White, we've helped dozens of clients obtain favorable outcomes from dog bite injury cases. With our experience, we'll increase your chances of receiving the best possible outcome. Each case is unique and can have varying outcomes. Contact our team today to learn more about the outcomes available to you. A dog bite accident can come with considerable stress, pain, and financial challenges. Potential hurdles after an injury include pain and suffering, medical bills, and lost time off work. Getting the right legal help with a dog bite accident can make all the difference in the amount of compensation you receive and alleviate the stress involved in the process. At Jackson White, we pride ourselves on giving our clients the most comprehensive representation possible. Each year, we help victims of all types of accidents get the compensation and legal results they deserve. If you need help with a dog bite or related accident, call the injury team at Jackson White Law. Our team, led by attorney Jared Everton, can offer you the right legal help you need to move forward in your life. We work on a contingency basis, which means you pay nothing unless you receive compensation. To learn more about our services, schedule a free case evaluation with our team. Call our personal injury team at 480 526 9835 to discuss your case today.